I ended up doing the Elmer Trail, and I decided to do the Sean Trail with my dad. The main reason why I think me and my dad and my family do it is because we care about people in Heart of Kent Hospice, and because they looked after one of our family members. No matter what happens, you can always do something to brighten the world.
It's been really fun. It's been such an amazing activity to do with the kids. Every time we've been out and about in town, all over Maidstone, they've been really excited pointing out all the Seans, and it's been fun not just for them, but for us as adults as well.
But I really like the ballerina.
The ballerina's good.
Yeah, I love the ballerina.
Favourite. The Spitfire one's for me. I like my second one was the Spitfire's a good one.
But my best one is the 5 Acre Woody one.
It's been lovely to catch up with all the sheep that we missed on the trail, and I think Harry especially has loved being able to see them all in one place.
It's absolutely the best trail in the whole entire world.
Yeah, it's been really lovely, hasn't it, to come back and see them all and have time to really look at them and not walk for miles finding them all today.
Well, I feel very great about the trail because I loved the Barry.
My mum was in the hospice last year with bowel cancer, and every day we took Millie in. Even when my mum wasn't talking or her eyes weren't open, you'd see her hand stroking Millie. And yeah, she's going every day. She used to love going in, seeing the nurses, having a run around, and then straight in to see my mum.